Hey guys, how's it going? It's Jesse, the Couch Movie Critic, and once again we are back in the kitchen, and today we're doing an unboxing of the Fire TV Stick 4K Max by Amazon. Unfortunately, Bella the Couch Movie Kids 4K Fire Stick, or Fire TV Stick 4K, better said, burned out. It turns on, it powers up, but it's stuck in a boot screen. I have followed every single troubleshooting step, including from customer service, and they got nothing. They're not sure what is wrong with it. So unfortunately, it is kaput, and we have now upgraded her to the Fire TV Stick 4 Max. And so I figured, what the heck? I know it's a little old. This did come out, I believe, last year or the year before, but I figured why not share an unboxing with you guys so you can see what it comes with. For anybody that's on the fence debating on if it's worth getting, said, why not? Let's go ahead and share it with you. So as always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, comments, ideas, please feel free to reach out to me on the socials as well as on patreon.com/Jesse the Couch Movie Critic. Enough of that. Let's go ahead and get right down to it. So on the front, we obviously got all the logos of the different apps that it can get. So many different options of streaming content through that. You got obviously your Prime Video, your Netflix, your YouTube, your Hulu, all of that fun stuff. It's all laid out right there. Fire TV Stick 4K Max, the most powerful 4K streaming stick, plus next-gen Wi-Fi 6 for those of you that you have Wi-Fi 6, including like those of you that have the Eros from Amazon. Obviously, ammo, the new picture of the new Amazon remote, the Fire Stick TV itself, the Wi-Fi 4K. On the bottom here, you do have the codes with the barcodes and the device support. On the left-hand side, you've got here Tubi, free movies and TV, Amazon Music, again, showing all the stuff you can do. Press and ask Alexa, Wi-Fi 6, 802.11ax, 4K Ultra HD, high dynamic range, Dolby Atmos, and quad core. Let's go ahead and turn it over. Let's go ahead here. Might as well see the top. Top is just a tab and a strip. The left-hand side, what do we got? We got Fox Sports, Spotify. What's included? The Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K, ALEXA, voice remote 3rd generation. I had to say that because as you heard earlier, it went off. 2 AAA batteries, the power adapter, the USB cable, the HDMI extender. What's needed is high-speed internet, HD TV or 4K with an HD TV input. Preset app buttons may vary. Wi-Fi 6 router needed for Wi-Fi 6 support, HDMI. And that's interesting. I'm kind of curious to see myself what remote it gets. Now on the cover, it shows the one that has like a couple different Prime Video, Netflix. The newer ones in the picture, when I ordered it, it actually showed them as blacked out completely where you can choose. So I guess we'll see. Level up your entertainment experience. Fire TV Stick 4K Max gives you next level performance with our optimized quad core processor. Watch 4K Ultra HD content come to life with brilliant HDR and support for Dolby Vision, HDR10, HDR10 Plus, and immersive Dolby Atmos audio. Get smoother 4K streaming with next-gen Wi-Fi 6. Our first ever streaming stick with support for Wi-Fi 6 tech means reduced congestion for fluid cloud gaming and another smoother 4K streaming access across multiple Wi-Fi 6 devices. Watch your favorites all right here. Dive into endless entertainment with more than 1 million movies and TV episodes. Watch favorites with subscriptions to Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and Hulu. Enjoy live TV, news, and sports. Stream for free with Pluto TV, IMDb TV, YouTube TV, and more. Do more with Alexa on Fire TV. Use the Alexa voice remote to find contact with your voice or control your compatible TV, soundbar, and receiver with dedicated power and volume buttons. You can even ask to see the front door camera without interrupting your show, which I gotta be honest, that is kind of cool that it pulls it up. That you can actually see your cameras and whatnot. Alexa, find action movies. Never mind.
I'm having trouble.
I said her name, damn it. She got me. Ignore. Show me the front door cam. Play Stranger Things on Netflix and so on. It's just got a ton of stuff that it can do. Let's go ahead here. Let's pull it open and take a look at what we got inside. So let's go here. That is not as easy as it is on some of the older units. And I want to just point out, you notice the box is a little squished. Thanks, Amazon, for sending an electronic device in a bag, you twats. Let's go ahead here and slide it out, and we'll take a look and see what it comes with as far as contents. So let's see how this guy opens up. It looks like this time around it comes from below and back, maybe? I don't know. Let's see. This is definitely a different experience. So let's just start sliding crap out. The old ones used to just like pop open, and like you'd have stuff, like it would just easily slide open into 2 pieces. It does not look like that does that anymore. So we're going to just slide stuff out because crap is falling out anyway. So we've got the Fire Stick, which came shooting out here. There is the new Fire Stick remote. So that answers my question. While the website does show the different blacked out buttons, it came with the one that has the Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Hulu pre-built into it, which is kind of cool if you have all those subscriptions. If you don't, that kind of sucks. There is your power cord, HDMI. Then what do we got here? We have here the HDMI adapter, which is great because since this doesn't split open anymore, you gotta like fight with the damn thing to get it out. So thanks, Amazon. You couldn't have kept that old fold-up box shit that you had going before. You guys had to fuck with it. Whatever. Let's get over here. We got the batteries as well as the power pack for the new Fire Stick. And what else? We have some paperwork that fell out here. Let's go ahead. And I am still fighting with the stupid HDMI cord to come out because of the fact that they did not make it easy for you to get this damn thing out. So we have to rip it because I just don't care anymore. We're going to throw that there. There is your HDMI extension. It goes on the end of the Fire Stick. And then you have a quick little hello guide here. Fire TV Stick 4K. What's in the box? Connect your Fire Stick. Power up your remotes. Complete the on-screen setup. And get the most out of your 4K device. That is pretty much the gist of what it comes with. Not too dissimilar from what you get with any of the other Fire Sticks in the past. The only difference now is that this is supposed to be the strongest, smartest Fire Stick to date. Not sure. We will find out as we get used to using it and proceed to use it going down the road. See what I think of it, and I'll let you guys know. But in the meantime, that's everything that comes with the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. You know, there it is. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.